So hi guys, this is Daniel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can also redeem the skate for free. Okay, so first thing you need to make sure like you join Capgemini in the 2022, and the second thing you need to make sure like you need to redeem the skate before 15th of March. Okay, so you guys have 2 days left to redeem the skate. If you guys didn't redeem, so you guys can watch this video and yeah, you can redeem also. So first thing I'll sure make sure you here you can see the redeem the order from the Capgemini kit before the March 15. Okay, so and I will deliver your preferred address. So it will deliver it to your address. So what you need to do, just I give one link in the description. That is my blog link. Okay, so there I explain all the things. So first step you need to go to visit this site. So here you need to give like your email at Capgemini credential. Capgemini.com. Okay. So Denil. Wait, guys. Yeah. Then you are going to this page. You need to enter the OTP. Will that will receive on your Capgemini email ID. So wait for that, and then after you need to give the password. So before I give OTP, I just give the password. Okay, I enter the password and now I'm entering the OTP. So 4 6. Okay, submit. So now onwards, guys. So what? Okay, I eventually. Sorry, give it the wrong password. This is not your Capgemini password. Okay, so that same mistake I done. So you need to forget password and create a new password if you are logging for first time. Okay. Otherwise you can use your old password if you are already visited this site. Then you directly redirect to this page, risk it, and yeah, and you need to get to edit cart. Okay, and here it shows like a 2000 rupees this order, but whenever you write, then I move to this because I'll reveal my address, so I don't want to reveal my address. Right, we are adding this cart at this cart we are doing. Then we need to do like the same thing we are right. Then we have to enter your address where we want this order. Then the fifth option, you need to final, right, you need to go to final thing. So what you need to do, like here in the coupon code you need to write welcome kit. That also I'll mention, I'll show you which things, right. Yeah, this that this one welcome kit, right, that also I mentioned here. You need to write a welcome kit in a capital or in a small, both you can write. And then whenever you write and click on redeem, right, your order will convert it into 0 rupees. And then you need to do like pay and completed. Then you finally that order will be going in the process, and then process is complete and approved, then it will receive in your home. So whenever that it going to the express, any express, right, to receive, then within 2 days it will go to your home. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, I make one video on how you can also get the assessment, right, like a laptop or desktop, how you can apply if you not get it from Capgemini, then how you can apply for that. That also I'll make a video. So for that you can make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, and yeah, then please comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you guys.